Hello, this is me again, Daniel, for this second video for January 23rd, 2023 construction update. Right now it's about 10:25 in the morning, and these men are still there, and it stopped raining or snowing. I thought we were going to have a snow, but it was like a little bit misunderstanding. Yep, we're almost near the end of January. Exactly 8 more days. I think we're having like a good January already this year. We didn't have any big snow, but we had a little few cold days. Not very cold days. Like coldest days, we get into the zeros, teens, and 20s. I don't know when I gotta monkey around like the heater. Man, it was raining hard last night too, or yet in like late yesterday afternoon, going towards the nightfall. See these men working? That's why they got the white tiles or something to cover the wall. Excuse me. Change of weather. That's why I get sinus trouble. Building this is like building a circus tent, like seen that in Disney's Dumbo. After the train arrives at the destination, that's why they build a tent at the circus. And the scene a little bit before that, a circus parade. Yeah. I love these Disney animated classics anyways. Especially watching Dumbo on TV when I was a kid, yeah. Well, back then, before I noticed it was on the Disney Channel, it was on Fox 5, one of those Disney Magic syndications. Yep. I used to watch it around every Christmas or Thanksgiving when I was a kid. It was the good old days. Still doing this anyways. We'll be doing this till they finish up the construction job. Might take like a little while. Let's see what this weather is going through anyways. Give you like a little close up. Now they put up the from the black tape to cover with the white tiles to cover the wall. Some businesses and schools probably losing money or something like that, and that's why mom and dad's my parents says might be we might be going to bankruptcy in the future if everybody doesn't get the money for these businesses. Yep, that's why they say Pottsville is gonna be poor, but let's hope it doesn't be poor. They're just trying to do the best they can to try to make like a new revenues or something for businesses around here. Pretty soon it might be the closing the bank over here, like definitely next month, because by March it will be permanently gone. And my mom and my parents is gonna have to find like a new bank somewhere around Pennsylvania. They have to go all the way to Dock Street around Schuylkill Haven. Yeah, maybe that one has a drive-thru. Might be small, but my parents will take a chance. I might be taking a chance, like browsing around the area, so I can find the thrift stores, places to eat around there if I get used to it. Yeah, just like I was getting used to with Pottsville. Here comes more school buses. Yep. So I hope you enjoyed this second video for January 23rd, 2023 construction update. I'll see you again next time when I have more updates of the construction. And please try to comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like other previous videos that I made during of these past days and weeks of the construction. You just take care, but I'll see you later, and keep watching right on YouTube. Bye.